for this video, it's based off of a song that is copyrighted, so I can't put it in here, but that's why I'm doing this voiceover, and I'm still really bad at them. We can try and get better as we go on, because I'm going to be posting more videos here pretty soon. I'm going to try for every Sunday, because that's when I have the time to do them. So anyways, this piece is it's based off a song, or I guess two songs by the Wonder Years. The actual piece, like the drawing itself, comes from the song Came Out Swingin'. He says, I spent this year as a ghost and I'm not sure what I'm looking for. I kind of just took that as more of a metaphor, or whatever an icon for this like era of the Wonder Years. They always use ghosts and everything, and it was like pretty cool. So I wanted to do that. But the other half is I Don't Like Who I Was Then is the other song. Again, they're copyrighted and I can't put them in here to like show you where I'm coming from, but if you do have time, I would suggest going to look up these two songs because they're amazing. Second one, he talks about how I'm not the person that I was then. I'm tearing him away. I was bitter. I was careless. I was 19 and afraid. And that like hits me really hard because like I'm 20 now, and like this whole past year I didn't even feel like I did anything. I don't feel like I was myself again, but I don't know. It was kind of weird doing this because like it was two songs, but I really wanted to do both, and then one didn't have like a picture for it, but the words meant a lot more. And like I don't know, the Wonder Years always had this like thing with ghosts, and like it was cool. I don't know, it's more of a picture of like some kid sitting there like in his ghost outfit because he feels like a ghost. I don't know, it's pretty cool. I really enjoyed doing this one. This one was a lot of fun. Yeah, when I was like last year, like I'm 20 now, so last year when I was 19, I was finishing up school, like going to art school and everything. I wouldn't count it as art school really, but I didn't know what to do with my life. So like I don't know, I'm trying to like figure stuff out right now, giving myself some time to think. But yeah, these two songs really hit home for me. They helped me get through some things, like as a retrospect of like seeing what last year was for me, and then now where I'm at, how I can change it and everything. So hopefully you guys look up the song. I don't even know if anybody's gonna see this that I like. I don't know. But if you're here and you're listening to me, if you're not skipping through the video or skip to the end, go look up the song, the two songs. It Came Out Swingin' and I Don't Like Who I Was Then by the Wonder Years. They're amazing. I get to see them in concert literally in like 4 days from today that it's uploaded. So that's going to be cool. I'm going to have more videos up soon. Like every Sunday, like I said, I'm going to try and do it and push myself to like further my skills in art. This isn't like the most intense drawing or painting I've ever done, but I do love this style, and I hope you guys like it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and like the video and share it around. Thank you. See ya.